Good evening, everyone. I don't have money to buy tarot cards, and I've been out of work for a couple weeks. So I'm going to do cough drop readings. Perfect. Okay. Let's see. I see it's Virgo season. These are the mint flavored cough drops. So Virgo, what I see for you in the cough drops is you're having a good year. Yes, Virgo, it's your year, but calm down. You're already insufferable because of your perfectionist behavior, but you're even worse because you're having such a great time. Okay, let me shake it up. Here, help me shake it up. I got my assistant Kaylin here. All right, toss them out. Okay, let's see. Libra, your season's coming up. All I see is karma for all of the minding your business you did and not helping people. Zodiacs. This one right here. Where's my camera? This wrapper, the way it's twisted right here, Libra says, regardless of your outlook, positive or negative, your year is going to be negative. I mean, we're at the end of it, but that's your season and how it's going. Oh. Okay, next we have Pisces. Yeah, I think Kaylin might be a Pisces.
Yes, I am.
All right, so let's see.
That's why I have a bunch of funny walks.
All right, Pisces. The cough drops say, and these are mentholatum, so it's for the air. It's more for the wind and earth. But so Pisces, this says you're gonna have a season of ups and downs, but not a season, your year, but for the most part, I see money in your future. Look out for the dates, the 1st and the 15th of every month. Those are your lucky days. All right, I'll be back for the other signs.